Hi, I'm Srijata, and I've recently done Manoj's course for mind liberation control. It's a, I think, 5 day workshop, and I would highly recommend this. So, if you are at a point, so a lot of us, I mean, of course, this is meant for anybody at any level that they may be in life. It's not necessary that you have to be spiritually advanced or anything, but citing from my own example, I have spent years learning different modalities for myself. But you reach a point where you know a lot, but you need to streamline what you know. Okay, and you reach a point where you want to kind of optimize your abilities as a human being. So, like we all know, people say that we use only a small fraction of our brain, right? So, what Manoj teaches helps you expand that, helps you use more of your brain power, okay, which is very important, I think, uh, to have some sort of, I wouldn't say superhuman, but a more efficient human being. You can operate as a, more optimal human being. Okay, so if you, of course, it's ultimately it's up to you. You have to make sure that you take advantage of what is being taught to you. However, what he's offering here is like a complete comprehensive toolkit, so for different situations, for different aspects of life. So we all talk about health, wealth, and relationships, so of course you can use it for any aspect of your life. And what is beautiful about it is the fact that he is kind of consolidating everything and giving it to you on or us on a platter. Okay, you don't have to, like, he's gone through years of practice, trial and error, looking at tools which are more powerful versus sifting out the ones that are probably not so powerful. So he's giving all of it together, literally handing it over to you. And I think that is a, I mean, it is, one would be lucky to have access to these tools. Okay, and there are certain principles which are not commonly taught, because people don't part with certain deeper secrets, deeper spiritual secrets. But Manoj is extremely down to earth, and I think he understands the whole principle of sharing. There is power in sharing, and that is how he is. If you met him on the road, he's like a very normal, down to earth guy, but he's a very powerful master. Immense amount of compassion. Even in his sessions, which is supposed to be like 3 hours long, he would just go on. Unless he had another, appointment, he would just go on teaching more and more and more, which shows the level of kindness and, like I said, compassion for fellow humans. He genuinely wants for everybody to grow and be abundant in all areas of life. So that is the kind of teacher that he is, and I think it's a blessing to be associated with such a teacher, because I've also had my journey of different kinds of teacher, and I'm grateful to all of them. But of course, everyone has their strengths, and Manoj is someone that you can approach for anything. He's constantly giving, I think, and very, 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 very down to earth. I mean, there is no ego whatsoever. So I would definitely suggest, give it a try, see it for yourself. You'll see the changes in your life yourself. There'll be some people, I mean, we all share our experiences with each other, and the kind of shifts which have been happening in everyone's lives are quite powerful. So yeah, just go ahead and give it a try.